Hello, people of YouTube, and welcome back to another food review. I'm Chris.
I'm Liam the Real Deal.
Okay, so today we went to Burger King and we're trying two of their newest items, the whooperito and the chicken Cheeto fry things. The first thing we're going to try is the chicken Cheetos. Alright, let's go. I don't taste a Cheeto.
I don't either.
It just tastes like chicken. Well, save your money. It tastes like chicken.
Yeah. Next up, we got the whooperito. It looks big.
Yeah.
But, eh.
Alright, whooperito. Wow. It tastes like a burger and a fucking burrito. That's random as fuck.